when we talk about communication today, it directly means English language. Nobody is going to come and say communication skills, I have to improve. So I want to know from you that yes, we all have to improve in our English, but how many of you are actually doing something on a regular basis to improve it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because this has been tried and tested on many people and it really works. It really works. But before that, let me tell you on a scale, what happens? There is a person who is a beginner in terms of English. He is a beginner. Now this person knows that what he don't know. Okay, and he or she have several reasons why to improve. The person here is the expert. He or she can speak well. होता ये है कि whenever they speak, the people are going to expect more from them, and that's the reason they have to upgrade themselves every time. But the people in the middle, this is, we are okay in our communication. I can manage. I'm just telling you again, person here who is beginner and person on the other side, the expert, the improvement rate for both of this is higher than this person. Because this person in the middle here, they are like, I'm okay. I'm managing it anyhow. Okay. So I just want to tell you, either you can be on this side, 3 on 10, 8 on 10. Don't be 5 and 6. Because when you're on 5, 6, the improvement rate is low. Seriously, it's very low. So if you just go out and observe somebody near the lift, what happens, you know? Go to the lift, people go and they press the button. Lift is still on the 3rd floor, not coming down. What they do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift is not coming down. Okay, now tell me, no. It's very clear, you know. No, we even put pressure. I've seen people doing it. But we all know there's no such kind of concept yet. But we still do that. No, but this is the concept, not? Yes, exactly. We have seen it, somebody doing it, and we have just repeated same, and that's the reason we are applying it. Are you getting it? Changing the channels, and suddenly it stopped working. The remote stop working, and what are you going to do? Then again, if it doesn't work, take out, rub the pencil cells, put it back, and it actually starts working. Okay. We have seen our parents or our cousins doing it when we were a kid. Yes or no? And we start doing it. Same thing. When I asked my sister that how you can cook so well today. Now my mom is not a professional trainer. That kind of training my mom is giving to my sister, and she says her mom taught her. What? She learned by the power of observation. It is sheer power of observation. If you can observe well, you can learn well. Are you getting it? My first year of engineering, there was a maid who used to come, cook food, wash clothes, clean house, and go back. After a month, she came to me and said, what she said? I cannot read. When she cannot read, it is very sure she cannot write. Yes? She cannot read, she cannot write, but she is speaking to me. She is talking to me in the language. Speaking is easier than reading and writing. Yes or no? And that's what we have to do today. If the speaking is easy, what are the steps to learn? English is just a language. When she was a kid, there was lots of people talking in Hindi. There was a bombardment of words when she could not understand even single word or single meaning of the word. There was still lots of bombardment, and some other day, simple, and that's how she started speaking.